Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Yusra. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, our great Launchpool project has 316 advertised AVNT start GUSD or AVNT to fly airdrops. Great Launchpool is set to launch. Project 316 advertised AVNT users can start GUSD or AVNT to share 750,000 AVNT tokens for free. Airdrop details starting periods September 12, 2025 through UTC September 24, 2025 3 UTC. Total starting rewards 750,000 AVNT starting pool DUSD and AVNT. Total starting rewards 500,000 AVNT and 250,000 AVNT. Price pool per hour 1,736, 11 AVNT and 868.05 AVNT. Unlock method unlock 100% get notification allows users to start in advance. You can start your asset before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining begins. Reward distribution: the system will distribute token rewards to users' pro account and only basis based on the proportion to asset they have stored. How to participate? Log in your Gate account of complete identity verification. Navigate to Launchpool hold our release 0.05 GUSD 1 AVNT click stop mint GUSD deposit at exclusive stacking limit for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive striking limits when participating in Launchpool with up to 500 striking limits bonus. VIP levels and 500,000 GUSD, VIP 5 and 750,000 GUSD plus 50%, and VIP 6 1 lakh thousand USDT plus 100% job information. And is the largest diabetes exchange base, but also the largest tax for trading and market making real world asset RWA. We build universal leverage the one that allows anyone from anywhere to trade markets, matter the most of them from Bitcoin to Turkish lira to US in indicates with a demand advantage and abilities like that for base in leading institutional funds like Founders Fund having raised $12 million across two rounds of funding. Gate Labs investment disclosure: Gate Labs did not invest in AVNT notes. Gate Launchpool is an innovative tracking airdrop platform where users can earn early airdrop for trading and newly listed tokens by stocking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, and other tokens with low entry barriers and high APR. Easy way to capture market opportunities. Please complete an identity verification before participating in Launchpool and any cheating behavior or profligate is will result and disqualification for the rewards. In case this description between of translated in original English version, the English version shall reveal guilt results are right in the final explanation. This event is not with Apple INC. User the United Kingdom of the restricted location cannot access the survives, including the participation in this event game is competition. C for use agreement in the future detail in the restricted location. Risk warning: as a blockchain startup, Still in its early, the project may involve submissions, risk in various aspects, including operation, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. Understanding blockchain startups is essential. Their risk require enormous technical and financial knowledge due to influence from technology, regulatory framework, market conditions, and other factors. The project may participate in experience stagnation price with prices potentially rising or falling sharply due to issues related to the underlying technology or the project or the trading platform. You may be able to withdraw and unoffered of your asset from the project. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature, and cryptocurrency price is high volatile. The project team does not provide any firm margin price commitment or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and care compensation. Okay. Foundation Global. Global market limitless leverage built on a back by base and AVNT dollar pure universal leverage. AVNT is a native utility of governance token of AVNTs based largest derivatives exchange for RWA and crypto assets is power protocol incentive traders community driven development users more uh, in, interactive with the AVNT platform and partner protocol will be eligible for day one airdrop. Okay. The Avantage Foundation built by traders and governed by believers powered by community as foundation is an independent entity focused on growing versus sustaining its Avantage ecosystem. It exists to champion universal is across all global by founding, development, and enabling governance in supporting contributors around the world. We believe the future of finance won't be decided behind closed doors. It will be shaped in the open by the users, builders, and traders who uh, everything and you have stuck in it. A token with is a proposal protocol with a future AVNT is a native token that connects every part of the Avantage ecosystem. It's the tool that empowers you have shaped what comes next of the reward for this who help build it and stock AVNT dollar in the security model of sport protocol health and earn share to AVNT rewards governance. mm, Proposed vote and the key discussion for product updates to treasury spend and buybacks viewed with Avantage SDK power your platform. Avantage SDK uh, seamlessly seamlessly access real-time price feed, execute fast trades, and manage position, empowering builders and traders for a competitive edge. Take a look some powerful and protocol builds using. There is a several more in the pipeline. Okay, introducing AVNT dollar, the ticker for the universe leverage layer and AVNT token airdrop dollars. You may be eligible for airdrop. You are advertise trader trading XP advertise LP. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, Avantis security model stock your AVNT dollar to the Avantis security model to earn yield and benefits. And about security model, the Avantis security model is handsome designed by Protect Protocol LP against major shortfall events. Okay, thank you so much for joining the live stream. Welcome to Avantis Trade SDK documentation. Avantis Traders SDK are powerful and flexible. The toolkit is for trading this Avantis platform. This documentation is will guide you through the installation process, basic usage of advanced features of about introduction about Avantis proposal, the Avantis trade SDK getting started installation next uh, configuration trading feed configuration optional examples trade operations opening a trade calculating opening fee and loss protection and canceling limit order get information and snapshot peer info advanced topic brand contract and IP API reference types clients. Okay, indicators and tables index model index and search page introduction. Welcome to the Advertise Strategy, a powerful tool designed to integrate with Advertise decentralized exchange DEX and leverage its advanced features for trading and market making in cryptocurrencies, forex, and commodities. About AVNT is the forefront of decentralized leverage trading platform, offering users to ability to take a long short position is crypto forex and uh, commodities using financial uh, that provides leverage without of expiration date with leverage and USDC stablecoin pool achieves high capital efficiency enabling diverse selection of trade asset of leverage up to 100%. Purpose of the MNT's trade SDK. The MNT's trader SDK is designed of simple free and enhanced to experience to with the latest DEX. It provides developers and traders with a set of tools, access real-time price feeds for supported trading pairs, and analyze of for assets categories and trading strategies, execute trades, and manage position of advertised platform. Getting started with installation. To get started with Avantis Trader SDK, follow these steps to install the package. Ensure the have platform 3.6 in letter installed of your system. Install the SDK using if if the installation was successful, this should print the version number of Avantis Trader SDK get peer information. Next step is once you have installed the Trader SDK, you can start using it to interact with this platform. Here are some things you might want to go next. Explore the SDK features of capabilities, access real-time price feeds of trading pairs, integrate the SDK into your trading algorithm to applications, uh, configuration, the configure entities, the trader SDK in your project. Follow this step. And trading configuration used for opening traders and getting trade related and important required models to class from SDK create instance of traders client class the provider URL based minor chain. The final file should look like this. Optional feed, optional tool for getting real time price updates. The step can be skipped if you don't real-time price updates. Create or instances the feed client class with the back support and get the feed ID from start listing to piece update. While the configuration you can now reuse the task trade SDK to integrate the task platform to receive real piece update. Final file should like this. From Task Trade SDK, import client feed client from Task Trader SDK types import trade import trader SDK trade client used for getting trade related. Example you can find practical example and simple code for using AVNT's Trader SDK of GitHub. These examples are designed to help you get started quickly and explore the capabilities of SDK and trade operations. The AVNT's Trader SDK provides powerful methods for traders, including opening, closing, canceling, editing the trades. This section will guide you through each operation with clear examples to help you interact with entire contract effectively. Opening a trade, the view trade open TX method one with the trade order type set to market and allows you to open your market trade. Follow the step below to open trade using of SDK. Example usage import analyze and from AVNT's Trader SDK import trader client trade input order type private key and assign definition is provided trade input is equal to trade input open price non optional open price of the trade current price in the case of market orders pair index of 2 ETH USD pair index of leverage 25 leverage for the trade and stop explain utilize trader coin connect to base manage using of provider URL. Number two, get pair index the index of the trading pair ETH and USD. Prepare trade input define the trade details such as trader address, leverage and more calculate fees and protection. Receive the opening and loss protection information, the trades and view length, send transaction, construct the transaction to open the trade and send into the blockchain nodes ensure that parameters such as trade input slippage percentage and trade input order time correctly calculating opening fee and loss protection before opening a trading port. Important to calculate the opening fee and understand the loss protection available for the trade. The following step how to how to retrieve information using the SDK. Example usage. Can you see that? Details. Opening fee. The opening is cost associated with opening a new position is calculated based on the trade details provided the trade input. The fee return of USDC should be considered when evaluating total cost of trader. For more detailed information on how the opening fee calculated, rather than get information of parameters, loss protection provides percentage potential losses that are covered by AVNT system. Notes always calculate its opening before confirming trades. Ensure are aware to the total cost. Understanding the loss protection available can help mitigate risk, especially in volatile markets. The example will demonstrate how to return these values, but the actual discussion of open a trade should consider both the opening fee and the level of loss protection of open trade and pending limit orders. The get trades method types and the open trades is pending limit order for a given trader. This is the useful managing position, monitoring trades, and understanding the current state of your orders. Returns are temple, a tuple containing a list of trade extended response representing the trader open trades. Example usage. Can you see that? Details. Trades. Each trade include detailed information such as trade fair, leverage, take profit, stop loss, and more. The method integrates of multi-call contracts to fetch trade and order data for the specified trader. Closing a trade. The method allows you to close an open trade. You can close a trade fully or specified level. Limit order and functioning limit order. AVNT is defined in Watson leverage value to global asset. Here are some links to get you started. Okay. Mission. AVNTs of a mission being product that really combine crypto and global asset on that strategies were activating on-chain traders by enabling them express global macro power of on-chain narrative vision. The envision world where leverage can be meaningfully used to trade and market make not just crypto but real world assets for prediction market and as more than what we are building. One DEX possibilities introduction. AVNT's protocol is advanced on-chain exchange for cross-asset leverage where users can long or short crypto forex and provide to power trading to this market and leverage combined to USDC for wide selection of tradable assets and high leverage to 500. We are also unlocking the far-beyond risk management of our LPS in time to risk parameters, allowing loss rabbits are rebate any losses of certain traders the help as a balance to platform open interest positive slip aids better than market entry prices for traders that balance open interest. The AVNT protocol is created by the AVNT Foundation who contract several service providers and its developers. Several members contribute of the development is the AVNT protocol including 12 crypto native individual the experience in investment banking constituting private incentive design product design is experience in crypto AVNT in the connective tissue of the AVNT's ecosystem, a utility of governance token designed to elevate scale for secure and version of building universal leverage layer and AVNT contracts address tokenomics and AVNT's ticker AVNT type ERC20 chain base total supply fixed airdrop check your illegal to climb AVNT number 2025 trade AVNT Binance Sport Bitgate and stacking security model. AVNT security model. The AVNT security model is a mechanism design of protect the protocol against major events. Entire token holders can opt in by stocking their tokens in the SM. In return, they earn protocol reward XP boost of discount. AVNT reward stockers get emotional AVNT for securing the protocol. This will be available as soon as AVNT client go live. Coming soon over the coming days and weeks, we will be releasing for following upgrades to tracking risk, slashing amenities, liquidity privates, or effectively taking its upside as side is trading activity during the trade market anytime. There can be situations in which open interest gets it was short that's when pool when prices diverge is capital during this time you can realize this itself used during the normal course of trading activity via trading fees. This means is the operating history of the protocol. There has been no cessation. Event has AVNT been live of one of minute overview. What are perpetual features? Perpetual contracts as perpetuals are a type derivatives in contract that allow traders to speculate the price of underlying assets such as the cryptocurrency without actually owning the asset. These contracts are called perpetual because they do not have an expiration date data as can be had identified and perpetual contracts trading platform design and principles. Our trading platform has been designed with two parties in mind and traders get up to 50% leverage and cryptocurrency is 100% correct of committees hold custody of your fund protocol control. We also liquidity providers enable anyone become a market maker. Traders bid against a trading pool that LPS deposit into get access to
organize yield from trading activities. Trade execution, the trading is built ways to protect LPS while giving traders best experience to file. Investing USDC value is not risk-free. The risk involved includes smart contract risk and contract failure despite of audience is losing money or profitable traders always invest responsibly and reach of team discovered of or any questions. USDC traders put and USDC uh, digital US dollar and their collateral for traders invest USDC into our market making values. We can circle USDC stablecoin of choice is one of the world's largest stablecoins which proven of safe stack is recovered and a stablecoin that available on several exchanges around the world while being readily available of both optimist is based is very easy of traders swap in their capital efficient stablecoin like the DAI of use partly the stablecoin like Teaser accurate Oracle executions, Avantage uses, and since 70s is Oracle-based trading platform, we always get the most accurate trading price for each of listed assets. There is no price discovered that happens within the platform given is not exchange, but the benefit of that is that user of the best execution prices accurate oracles with minor risk of the low widget price feeds is the biggest risk of price um, manipulation or which price is volatile of this temporary latency on demand pricing another common issue other oracle pricing that latency include when a specific price feast update is that worst result of explore protocol is best a bad experience of the user transaction execute chain link oracle for maximum decentralization on order of minimized to maximum decentralization we have chain fields of solution in the industry standard of the demand solution the protocol receives the best of both worlds term of latency is where high security is invited to try again its and case both fields must be up present before traders can be completed of these world is running will chance depending on market environment guaranteed STPS. Avantis offer guaranteed stop loss and take profits for both risk-free, zero fee, and given oracle of executions are user TP. For example, even oracle prices given to the user requested SL avantage will close position of requested zero fee zero fee perpetuals offers a 250x leverage as such high leverage minimum SLS are in force of 30%. Market hours. Market hours since Sundice relies on uh, price oracles. We follow their market hours. We attend the traditional market hours. Yeah, crypto 27 to no market close for Rex from Sunday 5 p.m. ET to Friday 5 p.m. and price gaps questions price gaps is important risk associated with real time potential of price gaps or price gap. This can happen due to version factors when economic data is released, particularly certain is the market of expecting when trading resumes after a weekend holiday, especially for major news announced is that period. and price gaps can significant losses and gains against traders. We have profit might be skipped because the gap effectively filing is different price than expected. We recommend exercising cautions while keeping traders of our market. Our market is price is gap here. Trading fees, fixed fees, perpetuals. Can you see that? And summary of fee incentives. Opening fee Opting fee applies for total position size of leverage trade are an example and trader puts up 100% of 30x leverage then a total position size would $3,000. The opening fee would be dedicated from a position size e.g. $2.4 and 0.8% $3,000. $97.6 is now of collateral value of trade closing of 0.045%. Most P2Pool perpetual protocols closing fee opening is order and dynamic spared in order to account exclusively large trades or lower assets. There is dynamic spared price impact that is applied for total position size and contact spared is a contact matter for each asset. Price impact spared max order book impact price is impact parameter. Dynamic margin fee. A margin fee applies for collateral value of position each block and displayed in a Harlem format is website. This is a making sure traders do not borrow most of the valued capacity and measure as we fair the formula determining the fee is any movement will be based on several factors. It can be hourly margin fee is equal to base fee, one blended utilization ratio. Forex start of fee dynamic opening is 0.05% position size opening. Fee applies for total position size in an average trade. An example for trader puts is the 100% of the 30% leverage then total position size would 3000. Fixed pair 0.01 for Rex market, especially for a major pair. So generally, dynamic margin fee. A margin fee applies for the collateral value of position each block is displayed hourly format of the website. This is the make sure traders do not borrow. Okay, hourly dynamics margin. A margin applies of displayed hourly utilize long skew ratio, long open interest on specific asset, interest short open for the specific. Okay, a margin dynamic margin fee. A margin fee applies for the value of position each block is the displayed is the also skip position is the particular asset with the higher fee for trader is asked. The formula for determining the fee at any moment will be based on several factors. It can be sum this hourly margin fee is equal to base fee, specific asset keeper fees, dynamic gas fee, decentralized keeper boost keepers are both boosts that pick of transactions sent by users via and opting closing trade. These fees are directly paid off the blockchain by the keeper. Do not advertise smart contract. community, we calculate keeper fees is keeper fee in action. The below question should be explanation. Keeper is opening a trade as you can do in base as a part of the T. mm, The user sends keeper 81 cents of case. The keeper is executes of transaction. Second step, zero fee perpetuals your success in our success literally pay absolutely zero opening closing is roaming fees only pays fractions in your profits. AVNT is introducing zero fee perpetuals, first true perpetuals that enable traders know fixed from your future profit. Back to basic, what is perpetual? The word perpetual itself is memory. Fixed fees reduce your alpha traders always need a certain price move break even in post changing liquidation prices and create borrow fees is founding rates in our pay only if you win data from popular exchange show that 90% traders is losing money trading pairs. Okay, introduction, zero fee perhaps what is there was perpetual is could really hold is one of that you only pay fees is perhaps just arrogance stay is no opening fees is fixed closing fees no borrow fees holding cost and its option is the more pure profits without putting up any fees upfront and also Avanti's option only those gross P&L market move, fee structure, compression, basic economics, wondering how much is cost trade is prep is you do win well profit share, vary based on important outcome. What is your zero fee perhaps is design is rewind higher returns, fixed fees is zero fee perhaps another interesting to understand you have want to stick is the fixed fee trading and trade zero for looking at P&L of zero fee preps and fixed fees 0.06%, open a close fees to BTC, chart of position size, paired the name of dynamics paired of apply fixed fees also apply underlying price move for asset classes in BTC has been shown is the vary from 0.05% key takeaways with fixed valuable assets features. Here are the assets. The features are the currently available in zero fee perpetuals assets features currently only market order to spotted limit order coming soon. You can add utilization author withdraw wine and disable economics abuse disclaimer beta disclaimer variable parameters zero fee are off currently in beta is parameters subject and change based on protocol risk reintroducing growing fees improve and adding borrow fees and join the discord of sport maintenance collateral and maintenance is minimum collateral required to keep position open. The position will be liquidated is falls below is the required maintenance is health ratios used determine of the maintenance for a given position for the health ratio is determined limitations ensuring risk management for LPS scaling open interest as margin trading protocol where traders is a growing leverage from providers unit accommodates interest costs of the
This ensure of the enough liquidity available for traders while is keeping finally we keep variable speed in asset class. Other limitation there are also two other limitations that are placed to ensure that TVL can scale for traders while protecting the provider's minimum profit percent crypto, 15% forex, and 50% minimum trade duration. Revenue distribution are trading fees, amenities toward providers of protocol treasury, trading fees, dynamic open fees, loss fees, margin fees is explained is detailed in the fees section. Liquidity providers 60% and protocol treasury 40%. Revenue distribution referrals earn reward to get free discounts. Referrals is USDC rebates advertise feature of fully permission referral system meaning anyone community members of influencer once of the referral link of created you can trading fees in example below you can see that Rapper has earned 2.26 USDC. Traders fee discount. Traders are incentivized to use highest the referral link can find referral tires that are miles trading at discount. Traders can wear upgrade wrappers to try is a currently we have their tires. Eagle Eye, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. Those rebates and those rebates are adjusted incentive for traders the future stabilize the market and protect and traders we have introduced a rule skew adjust loss protection. The loss rebate exam varies by asset the class from 0% to 20%. Please refer of the market selector. The drop down is trade latest load protection rebate. Loss rebates mm, a novel DeFi trading strategy. Check the below link to understand what professional market making is utilizing. AVNT is XP, a novel loyalty program for our community. Experience point of XP liquidity of trading. AVNT experience points of off-chain representation. A user's on-chain expression. Liquidity XP long-term and PC spark the most liquidity point. Trading XP fixed of perpetuals and trading XP zero piece perpetuals and season 2. Okay. Advertise the security model. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining my live stream.
Okay, FAQ. Why does AVNT exist? AVNT is the utility of governance token is advertised is exists to give the community ownership and discussion making power and the incentives participation across the ecosystem. What can I do with AVNT? Start mode and guard and participation in the growth of the advertised protocol that you have traders, builder, and strategists. AVNT has a role for you. Starting gives additional AVNT incentives, discount on profit, share in our zero phase perpetual products, and XP boosts of our content activity. How about audits is AVNT security is top. AVNT's AVNT has been double audited by top auditions like Zelig and Halborn. We have been adding audit reports here soon. Who eligible for the airdrop eligibility includes users who trade us to provide liquidity in AVNTs directly on their partner protocols, active wrappers one chain, workers of ecosystem partner, more detail on eligibility, sanitaria of exact AVNT allocations are coming soon. You yes, no, or will there be more phase and earn AVNT? Yes, new combines liquidity programs and contribute integratives will continue to roll out the best way to stay informed by the following. Okay, my time is over. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye. See you soon tomorrow.